Hey guys, and welcome back to Shannon's Makeup Drawer, and today in this video I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial on Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette. This is the first Anastasia palette that I've owned, thanks to a good friend of mine. So for this look today, I went for some of the more unique shades in this palette that I thought went well together. So if you'd like to see 9 of these beautiful shades, including this liquid lipstick, then just keep on watching. To start off this look, I'm going to go in with the shade Lure, and I'm going to put this shade in my crease. Next, I'm going to go in with this pink shade named Eden, and put this in my crease as well. For the next color in my crease, I'm going to go in with Saturn and continue buffing this into my crease. For the last color in my crease, I'm going to go in with Parallel and buff this mainly in my outer corner. Go in with this brassy shimmer shade called Eternal and apply this with my finger and put this all over my lid. Now I'm going to go in with a little bit of Obsidian and put this in my outer corner as well. And reapply Eternal. Now using L'Oreal's Infallible setting spray, I'm going to coat a smudge brush. Then dipping the smudge brush into Throne and applying this all along my lower lash line. After cleaning off the smudge brush, I'm going to coat it again with the setting spray. Then I'm going to dip it into Sphere and put this in my inner corner. Now I'm going to go in with the shade Lucid and put this on my brow bone. To complement Throne on my lower lash line, I'm going to go in with Maybelline's Lasting Drama in the shade Glossy Emerald and put this on my lower lash line. Now I'm going to go in with Almay's liquid liner in the shade Black and create a cat eye wing. Now I'm going to go in with Rimmel Scandaleyes mascara in the shade Black and coat my top and bottom eyelashes. Now for the last part of this look, I'm going to go in with Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in the shade Hudson. So that was this Anastasia Prism palette inspired look. I don't know what specific kind of look you would call this. Let me know in the comments below if you have any ideas. I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below if you have any other video suggestions or video ideas at all. I'd love to hear from you. And I'll see you in next Tuesday's video. Bye!